Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. We have a short video with a review of the QiYi M Pro MagLev. Now there's no fancy name for this cube, it's just the QiYi M Pro. This one's a bit different. This is the MagLev edition. I've already made a video on the one with springs. The special thing about this is it has a tension system with 11 different tensions that you can do by hand. Now this tension system is the elasticity, so it has a screw for the depth of the centers. This is considered a budget puzzle. It's about 55.5 millimeters and about 76 grams. So out of the box, I didn't do any setup. I just went right into it. It's a fast puzzle. I was getting some catching just because I was not used to the speed or the size. I'm used to smaller puzzles. After about a dozen solves, I added some lubrication. I added some Nebula from Speedcube Shop to slow it down, and it works great. I was having a lot of fun solving it. It has a semi-glossy finish, so it's not as glossy as cubes used to be, but also not the matte plastic cubes are now. So it's a nice in-between, which I love. It was grippy right out of the box. MagLev compared to springs, there's not too much of a difference in the feeling. I find that the MagLev tends to feel like a lighter spring setting, so a lot of people feel like MagLev is faster because it's MagLev. That's not true. It's just faster because often these settings feel lighter than springs. So if you have lighter springs, that's the same as what the MagLev is. So even with the MagLev, it still seems like it's going to be a budget puzzle, so be on the lookout for it. I'll have a link to Speedcube Shop. If you use discount code SCR at checkout, you can save and also help support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and as always, stop by Speedcube Review for more news and reviews.